Labor Finders is a staffing agency. We provide blue-collar workers for those industries. Our goal at Labor Finders is when someone walks through the door, we want to put them to work. Our biggest challenge is recruiting qualified workers. There's a nationwide skills gap. Our customers keep telling us that they're having a shortage in skilled labor. By us training our employees, they become more valuable to our customers. You walk through the doors at Labor Finders, and then you have Interplay's VR training. Through VR training, our employees are familiarized with real-world scenarios, which makes them safer and more productive from day one. By having new training solutions, it allows our business to expand our markets and to meet the growing demand for skilled labor.